we are during the bench testing of the Mark 8, proving the concept and the logic. This is the home page of this controller. You've got control functionality, engage, disengage. You can clear faults and e-stop the machine from here. You've also got access to the various menus required to operate and program the unit. The first menu is going to be the system menu, which sets up the basic set points, configures the system, customizes it to your application. We return and we can go over to the gain menu, which allows us to set the parameter set points to program how the system responds and controls based on error and feedback from the field devices. From this particular menu, because this is the tuning page, we've also put a graphic trending capability here so that we can look at live feedback of parameters, so we can judge the shapes of curves and realize how much more lively or lethargic we need to make adjustments to our tuning set points. Okay, so we go back out to the main menu at home screen. We've also got an alarm menu, which allows us to set thresholds and modes for responding to alarm conditions, and if we want to initiate shutdowns, this is where we do all that programming. We've also got our ramping menu, which allows us to program how quickly we want the system to accelerate and decelerate. We've got a lot of capability in this system as well, in that menu. From this main page, you've got the ability to engage, disengage, cause an emergency stop, or change the set point. Sort of the basic operator functions are available right here. But let's take a look inside the device. Okay, you've got your BNR PLC, which is also the touch panel where you do all your interaction with the device. Inside the main body, it's quite similar to our previous models of controller in that we've got a power supply, we've got relay outlet or outputs for discrete communication with your system if you've initiated shutdowns or alarms, or if it's engaged or disengaged, it can communicate discrete data to you. We've also got this device, which is the 0 to 600 milliamp output that drives the servo. That's sort of the heart of the system. This Omega conditioner takes the pulse feedback from the system speed, conditions it into a format that's easily read by the PLC. And then we've got sort of a modern and easy modular I/O rack that's quite easy to wire up and reconfigure. Pretty simple system. The cabinet's the same size and configuration as our previous models, so it's essentially a drop-in replacement with minor modifications. There you go, gents.
There it is.